Did DJI just sneak a dual-camera Pocket into the wild? Because a fresh prototype image, allegedly the Osmo Pocket 4, is making the rounds, and it flips a lot of what we expected. Today, I'll break down what's actually confirmed versus what's a wish list rumor, why that second lens matters, and yes, the latest talk on price and launch timing. Stick around to the end for whether you should buy now or wait, because my answer might save you cash and regret. A reputable leaker shared a photo of a Pocket-style gimbal cam with two distinct camera modules. Multiple outlets picked it up, and the consensus is this isn't a stereo setup. It looks like a main plus auxiliary design, and the prototype appears fully assembled. Not a lab Frankenstein. That's the part we can talk about with a straight face. The photo exists, dual modules are visible, and a second display has even been hinted at in some reports. So why two cameras on a Pocket? Think DJI drone logic, a primary sensor for your hero image, plus a helper, tele, depth, or a specialty optic to unlock smarter tracking, better AF, or new shooting tricks. The asymmetry in the modules screams different jobs. Not 3D. If DJI blends mechanical gimbal magic with an auxiliary module for depth/telework, we could see stickier subject tracking, cleaner focus pulls, and cinematic moves with less fuss. Early write-ups align on that main plus secondary theory, though exact roles are still unconfirmed. Alright, rumor buffet, salt shakers out. Chatter points to a larger, brighter touchscreen, around 2.5 inches. Potential 1-inch class sensor again. 10-bit profiles like D-Log-M/HLG. Smarter Active Track 7.0, and headline-grabbing 4K at up to 240 frames per second. There's also talk of refined Phase Detect AF, and improved stabilization that mixes the gimbal with electronic smoothing. Sounds amazing. Because it is. But remember, these are unconfirmed community rumor site claims. Promising. Here's where the debate gets spicy. Officially, nothing is announced. No date, no price. Historically, Pocket 2 arrived in late 2020 and Pocket 3 in October 2023, so a late 2026 window wouldn't be wild. As for price, speculation puts a standard kit around $699 and a creator combo near $799, reflecting the Pocket 3's move-up market and the rumored dual-cam complexity. But again, that's rumor, not checkout page truth. If you see confirmed, read that as confidently guessed. So what do we know? A real-looking prototype with two cameras suggests a meaningful leap, not a paint job. What's still foggy? Exact sensor lens rolls, screen size, slow-mo ceilings, and the when $sign. If you need a cam now, the Pocket 3 is still a beast and battle-tested. If dual camera tricks would change how you shoot, and you can wait. Parking your cash until more official detail drops is smart. So what feature would make you upgrade? True Tele, Next Gen AF, or 4K/240? Drop your must-haves below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next leak to launch deep dive. Got questions I didn't cover? Fire away in the comments. I'm there.